Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun vlog for you. This was a really fun family day. You're going to see me taking Carter to soccer, and I'm even going to do a little shopping haul on here. Of course, using my Ebates app. I've talked about this a million times, and I will share my referral link below. But basically, Ebates just gives you cash back on things you would normally buy, so you can do things online. But this particular day I used cash back in store, which was really awesome to get a percentage of money back just for using my Ebates app in store. And I got some really cool stuff from Bed Bath & Beyond, and you can see here. I'll go through the full haul at the end of this video, but make sure to stay tuned to see everything that I got. And of course, don't forget to download Ebates using my link below. It's so easy. You literally just download the app and you get a percentage back of what you spend, and that's it. There's nothing else to it. Thank you, Ebates, for sponsoring this vlog. What?
Mickey waffles.
You're making Mickey waffles?
And we're cleaning up as we go.
Wow, buddy.
And what's inside the it's a pancake, really. What's inside?
Yeah.
What are these? What is it?
Tanner, we gotta get rid of this Binky dude.
Alright, you ready to see? Let's see Mickey. That look good? You gonna eat it?
Yeah, we'll eat Mickey ear.
Alright. Don't touch.
Eyes.
Hit in his eyes?
Yeah.
Alright, go sit. Go sit like a big boy.
Oh, a boy.
Did you say uh-oh?
Better get those puffs off the floor.
See him, man. What did you just eat? A little hot still? What did you eat? Did you eat Mickey's mouth?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's happy. When the syrup kicks in, right?
What are you doing?
So Chris is dropping Carter and I off at soccer, and him and Tanner are going to go hopefully purchase our new washer and dryer. You know, I've been wanting a new washer and dryer forever, but last night our dryer went, so it was just kind of like a sign. You want to say hi? Are you going to soccer?
Hi. Hi.
No, with your feet! We got quesadilla on a fork. Alright, be careful. It's mommy's hot soup. You want to try it? No? No.
Hi, honey.
Hi.
This was easy, wasn't it?
Yeah, real easy.
Carter, did you have fun at soccer? Yeah?
He was a good boy.
Good.
So, what is this in my head? I don't know. Okay, so after Panera, we came home and we all took a nap, and I love naps. I could take naps every day, pregnant or not, but especially pregnant. And now I'm just making some popcorn, and we're gonna watch Storks, and it's just really nice because we don't have like any plans today. Chris did order their washer and dryer. It is the Cabrio I wanted, and what's even better is that it was on sale, like by a lot, so super excited. For some reason the white one was like much cheaper than like the silver one. Crazy. We love kettle corn, huh? Thank you. Sweet boy. Mmm. Look at your hair. Yeah, man. Aww. You okay, buddy? Tanner and Carter love these. Mmm. You ate your doggone, Carter? Mmm. I wish I could say it's pregnancy hormones that make me cry at the end of this movie, but I always cry at the end of this movie. Tanner.
Duck.
Mommy, I'll fight this.
Goose.
Who wants to get some pizza? Do you want some pizza? Carter, you want to go get some pizza? Okay, we're going anyway. Bye.
That is where you need to go, but you can't go over the grass. Alright, so we gotta go back. That's good.
I know, we gotta let it cool off, buddy.
You're a good color.
You blowing on it?
Here, you hold it.
Was it good? Yeah. Did the doggy pee-pee on your transformer?
Yeah.
That was so bad of those dogs. Romeo. We just got back from dinner and we were really bad today. We ate lunch and dinner out, but you know what? Pregnancy cravings, you're allowed to, but I want to go ahead and show you what I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm super excited about everything. So I'm going to be doing a kitchen deep clean and organization video, and I got these two little Lazy Susans. So they're just like really lightweight and easy to clean. I got this to give a try because our oven like is really bad inside right now. Super random purchase, but I wanted to try this out. And then I found my favorite gluten-free cookies there, so I had to. This, I got things to organize my spices as well from Amazon. I'll show you that when I do my video. But I also got this at Bed Bath & Beyond. And then a bunch of these little wax melts. They were like on clearance because they are fall scents. It smells really good.
Smells like fall.
So I use this in store.
Let them dry.
So cute.
Kids are asleep, like 7:30. Cleaning up the last bit of the kitchen. We ate out tonight, so it's not too bad. And gonna go snuggle.
I wish there had something good to watch.
Watch something.